What up, good people? We're at the Carshow One Up Fest. About to go over here, check these people out, check these boys out, and see what kind of cars we got out here. Cars out here. Haven't been into a car show in a minute, yo. Haven't been. Some cars out here. It's cold out here. It's cold. And we got some Mustangs. Got the Mustangs tripled up, like doubled up over here. Pretty dope. We got an orange Mustang. We're going to be checking that Jake out. Then we got the classic Mustang, all white with the blue stripes. Then we got another classic Mustang with it's all white. Then we have somewhat up to like a 2005 Mustang, two-tone, looking so sick right there. Old school Buick with the old school Cadillac right beside each other. Man, got the maroon red with the maroon with the white interior. Then we got the old school Caddy. I think it's black. But anyway, pretty dope. And the C6 sitting beside each other. Man, we about to let's go with this. Pretty dope.
ArtOfSpeedd, what's up, man?
What's going on? What's going on?
Hey, it's Mark with 757 AutoVets, ArtOfSpeedd. Y'all be sure to follow, subscribe.
My boy Mark out here showing me the love. Appreciate that, Mark. But anyway, Camaro, we got the Avalanche, we got the Tahoe with the Dodge Ram. Gotta be a Dodge Ram out here. The Dodge Ram looking like it's sick out here. We gotta check the Dodge Ram out before we check all the other cars out. But yeah, it's too cold. I'm guessing they're packing up for the day. But I understand it's too cold out here, but we're gonna check it out a little bit, and man, it's pretty nice. If you ain't following me on Instagram, check the bitches out too. Like the truck, love the truck. I'm not gonna hold them up. I know they're going inside. All right there. We got the Tahoe right here. Tahoe is pink and black. Tahoe is pink and white. It looks like it's got a little, what's it called? Damn. It looks like it got that satin. It's that pearl white. That's what it is. Pearl white. Pretty dope. Pink and white and black. Pretty dope. We're gonna check it out and everything like that. So.
Hey, what's up there? How we doing?
I'm doing good. How you?
I'm good.
I'm out in your Tahoe.
Oh, it's hers.
Oh.
I'm next door.
That's him over there.
Oh, okay. Okay. I'm be over
I'm
there.
just sitting in the driver's seat
under
right
the
now.
hood?
Nah, haven't seen none.
Oh.
They're gonna let us look under the hood real quick. I'm not gonna touch it. It's that pearl. I don't think this. Ooh. Just pulled up one of the Genesis owners.
Hey, how you doing, man?
What's going on, bro?
Yeah.
My boy right. Hold on. We gotta. It's my boy right here.
Hey, what's good?
His Jen, be shooting fire. We're gonna get it on the camera one day. I gotta ask him, when can we get the Jen on the camera?
Shit, man, whenever you're ready, man.
Whenever.
Yeah.
My boy said whenever. So I guess pulling up beside, we've got another red Jen pulling up beside the other Jen. So I guess. I said Journey, they all look alike. There's a Dodge Durango, but still, that's pretty sick. They got, look at this. They got the Journey, I mean the Dodge Durango. I said Journey, I don't know why I keep saying Journey, but it's the Dodge Durango, looking sick as
all right, guys, everything looks
whatnot.
great. We got some
But
beautiful views out
let's
here.
go. We got that, we got the Mazda
minutes or
RT.
so.
Sitting
So you guys can clean up around your area,
going
clean
on,
it
Doc?
up, lock it
So
up,
yeah, it's
wipe it down.
pretty cool. It's pretty cold out here.
Right, get ready, fixing to get ready out here.
I think I'm deaf.
Marshall, come on down.
I think I'm deaf. That J too loud. That J was too loud.